Hey guys, what's up here? Today we're gonna play some Madden Mobile, and guys, if you look in one of the corners, I got a face cam right in front of the football. Yeah, that's great. Huh. Yeah, so I got a new face cam, so yes, face cam. Yeah guys, we got some bad news. I did not get any of those elites. Okay. See, watch. No elite. No elite. And I didn't get any special elites, watch. Guys, look how much money we spent. Oh, cool, I just got 11,000. How it works. Yeah, whatever. Wait, do I get the... One, two, yeah, okay, cool. My team... I have some gold, and I'm gonna... Guys... See, watch, all my bids. I did not get any today, but... Whoa. Are you kidding me? I could just get this for like... Huh? There's an LB. I'm gonna go check my LB. Don't watch me have a goal at my LB. LB. I don't know my LB. Oh, I think. Oh, I just... No. I have a better... Oh, I have a better one. Alright, locations. Yeah, I know I won the bids. He is worse. Yeah. So, yeah, guys. Store. I can get a pro pack. Prime Pine. Okay, let's see what we get. Review all. Ooh, update. Oh, yes, I got someone from the Panthers. I got Philly Brown. I got gold. Oh my god. Got Philly Brown and I got a gold. Ryan, wait, where's he from? Yeah, guys.
What are you trying to? What kind of player are you trying to get? Quarterback or?
Well, I just got this pack for 7,000 coins, and I got this gold and Philly Brown from the Panthers.
Mm-hmm.
He's from the Panthers too. Cowboys. I think. Wait, I just looked at. I looked at that too fast. I think that was Cowboys, but I don't like that team. Oh, Panthers again. Oh, where's he from? Okay.
He's from Tennessee. That's from Tennessee Titans, and he's from Texas. Texans.
Go to set. Okay, so my KR game and continue players. Not the 1993. Wait, I want Odell Beckham. I want the 1990 something version of him. Sold. Okay. Buy now, 5. Whoever sold this is crazy. This would sell really fast. Actually, I'm gonna go sell items. So, yeah, I don't need Travis Benjamin. I'm kidding. Wait. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6. I forgot how to get to this. My team, I think. Collectibles. Clean items. No, I need the. Orange to okay. Oh. Collectibles. Yeah, I got like mostly gold collectibles because they're easy to get. I only have 3. Yeah, guys. So let's go ahead and play some live events. Play the scrimmage. Tom Brady. I know Tom Brady. Oh. Well, I almost got him.
Where's Tom Brady?
Oh, I don't have him.
Oh, I was gonna say he's a good quarterback.
Let me just show you my quarterback. I think it's gold. Oh, I almost got an elite quarterback. That was like really good, but oh dang it. Okay, whatever. Snap the ball. Fells. I believe in Fells. Fells, run. Catch it and hustle. Okay. 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 Yeah. Snap ball. Yes. 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 10 yards. Oh. Nope. Okay. I'm just looking at my face cam and it looks like I'm looking somewhere else. Oh, because I'm right here. Derp. Play type. Long pass. No, maybe. Hut. Hail Mary. Hut. Oh. Boom. Oh, whatever. Wait, can I get my scrimmage back today? I can't wait 15 years. Okay. Oh, just up silver. I don't really get silvers from. What is it? Cool. Payment continue. Boo, Beast, you suck. Wait, I want to see your let's see your team. You have 2 elites. You have 2 elites on your offense. And wait, yeah, Daddy. Okay, I have like almost all silvers, but except these 2, which are good for bronze, and I have golds or silvers. This guy got a lot of browns on his. No, he's the one. No, this guy's the one that took. Oh, Beast, you suck. He took my CB away from me. I got Kevin Johnson. See, Daddy, I got Kevin Johnson. See, Kevin Johnson. But he's worse than Paddy. Okay, let's go to execution. Okay, where's the Panthers? Save. Elite team to about 450. Yay. Oh my god! These people are crazy! Yay. I might get him. I don't know.
Who is it?
I don't know. Thompson. He is an LP. Yes. I will buy this. But I don't have enough money, but please bid. Okay, guys, I'm gonna get all worked up again about this. Well, one of these are in like 64 hours. I'm not gonna get those, but 66. These are all from the Panthers, so I'm gonna look for search gold item. No. Save this. Okay, set all. Okay. Oh wait, I didn't search. Team Panthers search. I found Cam Newton. Oh my god,
Did you
this
get
is no. This is crazy.
Oh, you don't have the money?
Oh. I used to. So, why am I have the money for this? Oh, I might get. Oh. I thought this was Cam Newton, but it's not. Oh, wait. 7, 6. I might get this gold. I'm the highest bidder. I got it.
Did you?
Yeah. I just waited. Oh god. 1 minute. Yes, I got it. I don't have enough. Dude, this is, he's not even on the Panthers. I want Cam Newton. They make him so much money, but he's beast. I wish I could someone. Daddy, one time this guy accidentally put the buy now at 101 coins, and I had enough. So I bought him. Okay, I'm gonna go to my team. Where is he? Oh, he's on defense, I think. Oh, there's probably another rest. Where's another rest? If I literally don't get him, I'm gonna get mad. Wait, I have my ass right here though. Oh, I have to claim it. Oh, Kyushin? I'm the highest bidder on these two. Oh, but that's been 1 hour. I won. Continue. Can I? But if I get these, I'm gonna be so happy. Okay, S. Right here. Oh, my gold is better than my gold that I just got. This sucks. It's still executions. I just had enough money for him. I just had enough money for this. Oh, that's Philly Brown. Blah. Kelvin, Benjamin. I want him to win. People are selling him for crazy amounts, but I want him. I'm gonna look up Kelvin. Kelvin. I don't know how to spell Kelvin. Kelvin John. Oh. Johnson. Kelvin Johnson. Kelvin John. Johnson. Kelvin Johnson is not on here. I don't think he is. But save. Wait, I want to see what I could get. What's that? What's that? My game froze. I can't tap anything. I need to end this though.